Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, welcome to OSP online sport program. First, we will discuss about variation in atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure decreases as we go up. It's mean that by increasing altitude, the value of atmospheric pressure decreases. The atmospheric pressure on mountains is lower than at sea level. At a height of about 30 km, the atmospheric pressure becomes only 7 mm of mercury, which is approximately 1000 pascal. It's mean that uh, at a height of about 30 km, the the atmospheric pressure becomes only 7 mm of mercury. That was 760 mm of mercury at sea level, and the atmospheric pressure decreases to 1000 pascal. That was 101,300 pascal at sea level. It's mean that by increasing altitude, value of atmospheric pressure decreases. You can see in the diagrams also, at high pressure the mercury in the glass tube is at higher point, and at low pressure mercury in the glass tube is at lower position, because atmospheric pressure exerts on the mercury that is in the bowl or in the mercury trough. Due to that, at higher pressure, atmospheric pressure, the mercury in the glass tube is at higher position, and at lower pressure the mercury in the glass tube is at lower position. Atmospheric pressure may also indicate a change in the weather. Means by changing weather, the atmospheric pressure also varies. On a hot day, air above the earth becomes hot and expands. This causes a fall of atmospheric pressure in that region. Due to the expansion in the air, density of the air decreases, and due to decrease in density, the atmospheric pressure decreases. On the other hand, during cold, chilly nights, air above the earth cools down. As air cools down, density of air increases. Due to increase in density, the atmospheric pressure also increases. So this is the variation in the atmospheric pressure due to change in weather. Now the next topic, that is about pressure in liquids. Like atmospheric pressure, liquids also exert pressure, and the pressure of the liquids acts in all directions. If we take a pressure sensor is a device that measures the atmospheric pressure inside a liquid. It has been noted that by increasing the depth of the liquid, the liquid pressure increases, and by decreasing the depth of the liquid pressure decreases. In the next slide, we will derive the formula for pressure in liquids. Consider a surface of area A in a liquid. In this, we will derive the formula for a liquid pressure. Consider a surface of area A in a liquid. The length of the cylinder of the liquid over the surface will be h. The force acting on the surface will be the weight W of the liquid above this surface. If rho, you can see the symbol, rho is a symbol for density. If rho is the density of the liquid and m is the mass of the liquid above the surface, then mass of the liquid of the cylinder can be written as mass is equal to density into volume. And volume means, you know that you can write it as A into h, area into length या height. तो mass की value है A h into rho. This value of mass we will use in next to drive this liquid pressure formula. The force acting on area A is equal to its the weight, so F is equal to W is equal to mg. Hence pressure will be P is equal to F by A. As we know that F is equal to mg, its value becomes mg over A. And putting value of mass from equation number 1 in this equation, you can write P is equal to rho A h g over A. By cancelling A in numerator and denominator, you will get P is equal to rho g h. This formula shows that liquid pressure depends on density of liquid, value of G and depth of the liquid. तो ये फार्मूला बड़ा ही इम्पोर्टेंट है स्टूडेंट्स. इस फार्मूले से आप न्यूमेरिकल्स भी सॉल्व करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे ये भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि ऑन व्हाट फैक्टर्स लिक्विड्स प्रेशर डिपेंड्स. So you can write it that it depends on the density of the liquid, value of G, and depth of the liquid. This is all about this lecture. Thank you.